Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this CRAFTSMAN battery powered sprayer. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is you're going to unfold this. This activates the battery, so it does come with batteries installed. This is the lock position. When you go to the unlock position, now it's going to activate the batteries inside the handle. The nice thing about it is the batteries ever do run out. You can replace the batteries with 4 AA batteries is where they go right there. Does come with this. We're going to put this on the actual chemical, and then this part is like a quick disconnect. You're just going to push it in there till it clicks. A pretty important measurement is this dip hose. It's about 12 inches long. Okay, so here I've got like a Roundup. You may have a pump sprayer. This has a battery operated sprayer. Here I have Home Defense by Ortho. We're going to take these tops off. Now it won't simply just slide right into this one. You do have to change out the cap. You can't just push that right there. So let's take this all the way off. And again, you're going to take this one and it screws right on there. It's okay if that's a little bit longer. It'll just go over to like a corner. This has the exact same threads for that or that. And now we're going to take our CRAFTSMAN sprayer and simply just connect it like this. And now again, I got it in the unlock position. The batteries are activated. Now it needs to prime the pump a little bit. There, now it's got a really powerful pump. Now I can spray a lot of weeds, get it nice and killed. Now I can screw that gray thing in a little bit and it changes the spray pattern to more of a mist. This is just a really nice upgrade that's very powerful. It's easy to change out the batteries. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.